How to swap the material connector on a 300 liters cartridge on the HP JetFusion 5200, 5600, and 4200 3D processing stations. Please note that although the video shows a 5200 3D processing station, the procedure also applies to the 5600 and 4200 3D processing stations. You can swap the material connector for a full one if you are running out of material. Connector 1 can be replaced by number 3 and connector 2 by number 4. On the front panel, tap the maintenance icon, then material and swap connector. Disconnect the material cartridge connector from the used material supply. Remove the cardboard. Then, remove the seal from the spouts. Connect the material cartridge connector to the new one. On the front panel, tap Finish and check. The action has been performed successfully.